In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can download pictures from Google just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So I searched for nature and I found a lot of pictures here about nature. Okay, I'm gonna choose one of those pictures, for example, like this. You choose this one, and here you go. So I want to download this picture to my laptop from Google. So what you need to do, double click on the picture. Okay, just double click on the picture and you should see here save image. Click on save image and I'm gonna name it, for example, nature, like this, and click on. So first you need to choose where you want to download this picture. I'm gonna just leave it in downloads and I will click on save, and here you go, your picture will be saved into your laptop. Let's check, and here you go. You can see, guys, that's how we can download pictures from Google. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.